If he gets this, it really shakes the competition up, and there's no if about it anymore because he's got that. All three in his favour. It's a new America's record for Antonio Martin in the United States.
All right, guys, we got the breakfast here. We got some bacon, eggs, sausage, and pancakes, some orange juice. Today we're gonna take the puppies to get them some shots, and then also we're gonna do a garage workout. Super excited about that. Haven't worked out in the garage in a minute, but yeah, let's get it. All right, guys, so after they sleep over, we're about to head to the dog park. Just letting them do their business real quick before we leave the house. And then we're about to head to the dog park. They're a handful together, all three of them. I'm not talking about the dogs, I'm talking about the kids.
Let's go, let's go. Come on, guys. Oreo Blue. Come on.
This is Blue, that's Blair, and this is Oreo.
In the car. Car.
You gonna hop up in there? Go ahead, Oreo, hop in the car.
Come on, but you going this way or that way? Oh.
Go ahead. Get up here.
He ain't gonna do it. Nope.
I don't think he like car rides.
He like not, yeah, cause
Get in.
he don't really like the car
He
rides.
like y'all done came back and got Don Blair. I don't know if I want y'all.
So loading them up, we headed to the dog park.
Throw it again, Jazz. Throw it again. They not. Look at him. Just always by himself. Eating. No. Not nothing to eat. All right, throw it again, Jazz. Wow. It almost went over there. Go get it, Blue. How long he been in there? Because first of all, I ain't see him go in there. Give it here. Shut up. Give it here. Mine now. That's what I thought. Get it. Blair, no. Blair, no. Oh, that's him. Oreo, no. That's not? That's her? Let me see what Blue doing.
That was a nasty dose.
Let's see who getting it.
Blair.
Blair, no. Give it to me. Hey, Jazz, take it, because she's bringing it to you. Or is she?
Ready? Look the other way.
You always eating on something. So she can fetch pretty good, Jazz. She need one of them. Look at him. He likes to get it. I don't want to argue with her. Oh, well, maybe he do. Maybe he do.
Getting their last little drinks before we head on out. It's hot out here.
27 pounds.
Excuse me.
Oh, come. Oh my goodness, sorry. Come here. What you doing? Sit down.
Here you go. All right. This is okay.
Yeah, expensive.
32.
That's your cat?
32 and 27.
Siamese?
Yeah.
It's right now. Oh, okay. I got a Siamese at the crib. Little mean boy.
It's okay.
Yeah, they're Siamese.
What's this?
Oh, this is what you saw?
That's my barber cat.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? My Siamese look just like that.
The largest, because.
Oh, yeah? Well,
Oh, those are the ones
yeah,
you
my
guys
Siamese
said you
and
wanted.
my dogs love each other.
Oh, it's hot one. That's probably what?
I got the shoes.
With the same color?
That's a dog.
Is there different colors? I mean, you don't have to. You don't have to get the same color.
Yeah.
He's coming of age now, so he's been jumping out.
So I do kind of a silly thing. I kind of pat and scrub so they don't understand I'm pooping.
Yeah.
So with these guys having such the thicker coat than typical pit bulls, they'll get warmer quicker than normal.
Blueberry, he was so.
He's very timid.
It's written down, but you don't have another thing yet.
Yeah, I had a friend that was reading and he ended up giving my
Look
mom.
at him, he done laid down.
Relaxing.
Tired already. Good boy, Lou.
Looked at the cat, I was like, it looks like a Siamese cat in the rack down. She's like, you're a pound cat. I'm like, what? I was like, yeah, I'll take it.
$5.
Let's get some
All right, guys, as promised, garage workout time. Let's go. We got 245 on there. Feeling good today, man. I think I'm gonna work up to about 450, 460 something. We'll see. Let's go.
What you call them niggas big, bro? You can move in and hit the hills and we still live by the same code. I'm respected everywhere I go. Nigga low live bankroll. Skip the rainbow, funny style shit, and straight to the pot of gold. Somebody everybody know. Six God with the God flow.
All right, guys. As you seen, that move pretty easy. That 245 for 2 sets of 10. Now we got 333 on there. Let's go. And yes, I did warm up with 245 because, as I think I told you guys before, those 100-pound plates that's on there, it's really crazy to take them off. I don't want to risk the injury picking them up to put them on there, so I just leave those hundreds on there. I got the ability, the strength to, warm up with 245. I wouldn't recommend that, but hey, you got to do what you got to do to get that work. Let's go.
It's a problem when you see it get crazy. At 212, bitch was breaking. I might be in that Escalade, but I ain't late. Put that bag on you, act like I don't know what happened. I heard the story, be like, damn, that was tragic. Too much money, I need you like 2 books. Stacks big and green, I call my pocket the new hope. When you don't pay attention to no loose tools. Nothing in the motherfucking world. Go smile, I hope you die, nigga. Put my ass on the motherfucking Bible, nigga. I ain't keeping 1,000, nigga. Like a whole thing. Yeah. No scale, we sell the retail. Face fell so long my mind. Drop the top, no rug, got the kids out. Mention my name and bring the whole thing. Because my shit ain't selling the same. It won't be the same with my niggas and singers. It won't be because some niggas sit in my lane. Everything grows, it's destined to change. I love you little niggas, I'm glad for my one time for my pops. Free tweet, rest in peace, fuck the ops. One time for Lil AJ, one time for Lil Rock. 50 rounds in that top. Niggas move, niggas talk. One time for Wando, we did that beat and came.
All right, guys, so we are here with the post-workout meal. Got some sweet and sour chicken, shrimp fried rice, 2 bottles of water. Well, actually, I got 3 bottles of water. About to hydrate. We about to smash.